Hello friends, welcome to MechatHeart. In this tutorial, let us learn the offset tool in sketch mode. I am drawing a rectangle. Let us go to sketch and select offset tool. Offset dialog box opens. I am selecting the curve that has to be offset. I am selecting this edge of the rectangle. Here I can give the dimension up to which I need this offset. You can see I have an option called chain selection, which when checked will select everything that is connected to this line. In a minute I'll explain this more clearly. I'm giving the offset distance. When you're changing the dimension or placement of the entities from reference, the offset distance is maintained. This wouldn't have happened if we were drawing two rectangles. I'm again selecting the offset tool after drawing this rectangle. So now you can see if I check out the chain selection, only that entity is being selected for offset. Here I am drawing a spline. It is difficult to draw another offset spline exactly of same shape without the offset tool. I'm again going to the offset option. It's only one entity, so I can either go for chain selection or without. So after some time this offset fails because of the contour. Now I can give the distance that is required for offset.